Hey guys, so earlier today I was at Waffle House and I was scrolling through some pictures on the internet and I saw this picture of Adam Lambert and I was just like, oh my gosh, I totally forgot about Adam Lambert. You loved him, he was awesome. So that inspired me to sing the song for him. So I'm going to sing What Do You Want From Me by Adam Lambert. Hey, slow it down. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Yeah, I'm afraid. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? There might have been a time when I would give myself away. Oh, once upon a time I didn't give a damn, but now here we are. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Just don't give up. I'm working it out. Please don't give in. I will let you down and mess me up. Need a second to breathe. Just keep coming. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Yeah, it's hard to see. Baby, you're beautiful. And there's nothing wrong with you, nothing wrong with you. It's me. I'm a freak. But thanks for loving me, 'cause you're doing it perfectly, yeah, perfectly. Might have been a time when I would get you slip away and even try, but I think you should change my life. Just don't give up. I'm working it out. Please don't give in. I will let you down. It was me. Need a second to breathe. Just keep coming around. Hey, what do you want from me? 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 Sorry, too soon. My sock fell down. They fell for me. Down. I won't let you down. Just don't give up. Walking it out. Please don't give in. I will let you down. Need a just keep coming around. Hey, what do you want from me? Bob, I'm walking it out. Please don't give in. Down, please mess me. Need a second to breathe. Around. Hey, what do you want? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Hey. Thanks guys. Subscribe to my video. Upload it. Swag.